The captivating story of Thoth, unveiling the wisdom and mysteries of the Egyptian god. Thoth, the ancient Egyptian god of wisdom, knowledge, and writing, is a figure of profound significance in the rich tapestry of ancient Egyptian mythology and culture. As one of the most important deities in the Egyptian pantheon, Thoth's story is woven with symbolism, mythology, and enduring legacy that continues to captivate scholars, artists, and enthusiasts alike. In this captivating exploration, we will delve into the origins, attributes, and multifaceted roles of Thoth, uncovering the depth and complexity of this revered deity. From his celestial parentage and divine responsibilities to his pivotal involvement in key mythological events, we will unravel the intricate tapestry of Thoth's influence and legacy. Thoth, known by the ancient Egyptians as Jehuti, stood as a towering figure among the pantheon of gods, revered for his multifaceted domain over wisdom, writing, magic, and beyond. As the god of unparalleled intellect and cosmic insight, Thoth's influence transcended the mortal realm, shaping the very fabric of human civilization. Legend whispers tales of Thoth's divine gift to humanity, the sacred art of writing, a gift bestowed upon mortals with the stroke of his celestial quill. With this profound act, Thoth ignited the flames of enlightenment, illuminating the path of progress and forever altering the course of history. The emergence of written language marked a pivotal turning point for humanity, allowing knowledge to be preserved, transmitted, and revered across generations. But Thoth's role extended far beyond that of a mere bestower of writing. As the patron of scribes and scholars, he assumed the noble mantle of a mentor and guide, shepherding the ancient Egyptians in their relentless pursuit of wisdom and enlightenment. In the hallowed halls of learning and academia, Thoth's presence was felt as a guiding force, inspiring generations to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe and unlock the secrets of existence. Amidst the grand libraries and scriptoria of ancient Egypt, Thoth's influence permeated every scroll and manuscript, infusing each word with the essence of divine knowledge. His wisdom became the cornerstone upon which the edifice of Egyptian civilization was built, fostering a culture of learning, exploration, and intellectual curiosity. From the humble scribe to the esteemed scholar, all who sought enlightenment found solace in the benevolent embrace of Thoth. His wisdom transcended the boundaries of time and space, offering guidance to those who dared to tread the path of enlightenment. Thoth was one of the most important and influential deities in the ancient Egyptian pantheon. As the god of wisdom, knowledge, writing, and the moon, Thoth played a crucial role in the religious and cultural life of ancient Egypt. Thoth was depicted with the head of an ibis or a baboon, and was associated with a wide range of attributes and responsibilities. He was believed to be the scribe of the gods, responsible for recording and maintaining the divine order of the universe. In addition to his role as the scribe, Thoth was also credited with the invention of writing, language, and mathematics. He was seen as the patron of scribes, priests, and scholars, and was responsible for maintaining the balance and harmony of the cosmos. Thoth's story is deeply woven into the rich tapestry of ancient Egyptian mythology. He is often depicted as a key player in important mythological events, such as the creation of the world and the judgment of the dead. Thoth's role as the mediator between the gods and the mortal world is a central theme in many Egyptian myths and legends. The legacy of Thoth continues to be felt in the modern world, as his influence can be seen in various aspects of art, literature, and culture. From the hieroglyphic writing system to the study of astronomy and mathematics, Thoth's impact on the development of ancient Egyptian civilization is undeniable. Thoth was one of the most important and influential deities in the ancient Egyptian pantheon. He was believed to have emerged from the primeval waters of Nun simultaneously with the sun god Ra, though he was not born to Ra like the other gods. Thoth's role in Egyptian mythology. Thoth's story is deeply woven into the rich tapestry of ancient Egyptian mythology. He is often depicted as a key player in important mythological events, showcasing his pivotal role in the divine order of the Egyptian pantheon. The creation of the world. In one of the creation myths, Thoth is said to have played a crucial role in the establishment of the world. According to the myth, the year was originally only 360 days long, and the goddess Nut was sterile during these days, unable to bear children. Thoth, the god of wisdom and knowledge, is credited with gambling with the moon for 1/72 of its light, which allowed for the creation of the additional 5 days. During these 5 days, Nut and Geb gave birth to the deities Osiris, Set, Isis, and Nephthys, completing the creation of the world. The Judgment of the Dead. Thoth's role as the mediator between the gods and the mortal world is particularly evident in the Egyptian afterlife beliefs. In the Hall of Truth, during the weighing of the heart ceremony, Thoth was believed to be the one who recorded the results, ensuring that the deceased received a fair assessment of their deeds. As the god of writing and knowledge, Thoth was seen as the keeper of the scales, responsible for maintaining the balance between the heart of the deceased and the feather of Maat, the goddess of truth and justice. This critical role in the judgment of the dead solidified Thoth's status as a central figure in the Egyptian belief system, as he was responsible for determining the fate of the soul in the afterlife. Thoth is a mediator and counselor. Beyond his involvement in the creation of the world and the judgment of the dead, Thoth is also depicted as a pivotal mediator and counselor among the gods. In various myths, Thoth is called upon to resolve disputes and provide wisdom and guidance to the other deities. His role as the scribe of the gods and the master of knowledge and writing made him a trusted advisor, capable of navigating the complex relationships and power dynamics within the Egyptian pantheon. Thoth's ability to maintain balance and harmony among the gods was crucial to the stability of the divine order, further cementing his importance in ancient Egyptian mythology. The legacy of Thoth. Thoth's influence and legacy have transcended the boundaries of ancient Egyptian civilization, continuing to impact various aspects of modern culture and thought. Influence on ancient Egyptian culture and beliefs. Thoth's role as the god of wisdom, knowledge, and writing was central to the functioning of ancient Egyptian society, religion, and cosmic order. His attributes as the inventor of writing, the master of magic, and the scribe of the gods made him an indispensable deity in the practice of divination, prophecy, and the afterlife beliefs of the Egyptians. Thoth's presence was deeply woven into the rich tapestry of ancient Egyptian mythology, where he was depicted as a key player in important events such as the creation of the world and the judgment of the dead. His role as a mediator and counselor among the gods further solidified his importance in the Egyptian pantheon. Impact on modern spirituality and culture. Thoth's legacy continues to be felt in the modern world, as his influence can be seen in various aspects of art, literature, and contemporary spiritual practices. In the context of New Age spirituality, Thoth is often seen as a source of guidance and inspiration, representing the principles of wisdom, knowledge, and personal growth. Some modern spiritual practitioners even claim to channel Thoth or receive messages and insights from this ancient deity.